Hello, and welcome to another NASE Minute. I'm Scott Stryker. If you're enjoying these videos about all things self-employed, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you know when we upload a brand new video each and every week. Did you know that every year we award at least $15,000 in scholarships to the dependents of NASE members? We love doing it and are proud to support members as they send their dependents off to higher education. It doesn't matter if your dependent is a business major, a music major, a future scientist, or studies anything unrelated to business. The scholarship is open to all dependents of NASE members, regardless of their area of study. We accept applications January 1st through April 30th each year. We then review all the applications submitted, select the winners, and send checks in time for the start of the fall semester. The process is pretty simple. Fill out a basic form, write a personal statement, fill out a background resume, be sure to include a letter of recommendation and verification of your GPA. And that's really it. If your dependent is attending college this fall, we hope you consider submitting an application. And that's all I've got this week. Thanks for watching. To learn more and stay connected, you can visit us at nase.org. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter at NASE Tweets or Instagram at NASE on IG. Thanks, and check back next week for another NASE Minute.